Okay, so let's do the final one here. This one says, what electric field in what direction would make the particle go straight to the right in the previous problem, right? So in the previous problem, we knew that it was going this velocity, 2.47 times 10 to the 6 meters per second, and that the magnetic field was out of the page, right? So let's draw a little picture of that. All right. We also know it's going anti-clockwise. There we go. So here's our magnetic field, which is 0.128 teslas. And then let's draw a picture of this guy going to the right. So it's a negative charge going to the right. Okay, there's our velocity, and index finger this way, middle finger out of the page, and my thumb points down the page, but it's negative down the page, so the magnetic force is up the page. All right, and of course, we would want the electric field the electric force would be down the page, right? Now, let's think about this. To exert a downward force on a negative charge, your electric field would have to actually be up the page. It's like, it's too many reversing's, right? Okay, but anyway, there it is, right? So the magnetic force is up the page. You want the electric force to be down the page. And remember, the electric field up the page would exert a downward force on a negative charge, right? Negative charges are always backwards. So we've got up the page, right? And now let's figure out what the electric field would be, right? So we're going to say force is EQ and force is QVB. So this is our electric force, this is our magnetic force. We'll set those guys equal, right? EQ is equal to QVB. Cancel the Q, then this works only if they are not zero, right? So if it's a neutron, it just doesn't apply, it's undefined. There's no charge, but for these guys, it works, right? So E is 2.47. That's our velocity, right? Times 10 to the 6 meters per second. So it's V times B, which is 0.128. So 2.47 e to the 6th. E to the 6 times 0.128. It's 316160. Alright, so that is 3.16 times 10 to the 5th newtons per coulomb. Alrighty. Hope that helps.